Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Due to the shortage of power, the load shedding will be there in the state, says Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. Commissioner of Food Safety Government of Meghalaya and Director FSSAI, the Eastern Region, organized Eat Right Millets Mela. Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee holds a protest against the disqualification of Rahul Gandhi from Lok Sabha. And a one-day training program on the packaging of Larnai and Tirshang villages black pottery products in West Jaita Hills district. And now for the news in detail. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Tuesday said due to the shortage of power, the load shedding will be there in the state. Asserting that the power scenario in the state has witnessed a slight improvement because of different management the state government has done in the last 2 years, Sangma said the large gap is still there in the power sector, which will lead the state government to put some power regulation. Chief Minister along with Power Minister at A.T. Mandal recently visited Delhi and met Union Power Minister Raj Kumar Singh to apprise him on the efforts of the state government to resolve the outstanding issues of MEECL and to seek the Ministry of Power Government of India's support to this end in order to enable MEECL to be strengthened financially and operationally.
Cases of, like, for example, with NTPC, where the agreement was signed a long time back, where the power purchase it was compulsory and fixed charges were put in, which means that even if we don't draw power from them, we still have to pay a certain amount of money to them. So we figured out and discussed with NTPC in the presence of the minister how we could have a better understanding in this entire issue and how we could resolve this issue.
This year has been declared the International Year of Millets by the United Nations General Assembly. To create awareness about the health and other benefits of millets, the Commissioner of Food Safety, Government of Meghalaya Shillong and Director FSSAI Eastern Region RO Kolkata organized Eat Right Millets Mela. The program was inaugurated by Minister in charge of Health and Agriculture Dr. Ampreen Lingdo. On this occasion, various millet products were on display for the common people. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. Lingdo calls it an innovative style of promoting millet within the ambit of food safety. The minister also said she looks forward to see this food grain also being added to some of the intervention of the Government of Meghalaya and Government of India, likewise to inculcate good eating habits, healthy food to the younger generation. She stresses on the need to popularize the crop.
Much knowledge about this golden crop that has a multiple value in the market as well as in our own personal lives. We should popularize this and take it across to every corner of the state, giving hope to millet growers.
Displaying the banner Save Democracy, the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee on Tuesday organized a protest demonstration against the disqualification of Rahul Gandhi from the membership of Lok Sabha. As part of the Sankalp Satyagraha, the Meghalaya Congress leaders joined with the rest of the country and shouted anti-government slogans. The protest demonstration was organized under the leadership of Congress Parliamentary Party Chief Ronnie V. Lingdo, where other legislators of Congress too attended the program. Calling the disqualification of Rahul Gandhi as suppressing the democratic freedom of speech and expression by the NDA government. Lingdo condemned the action and said that ultimately the government wants to suppress the truth. The Department of Commerce and Industry, in collaboration with the Indian Institute of Packaging, Kolkata, organized a one-day training program on the packaging of Larnai and Tirshang villages black pottery products on Monday. The program was attended by Deputy Director Marketing M.L. Wanchnong as the chief guest in the presence of Deputy Director of the Indian Institute of Packaging, Kolkata, and Project Head B. Das, who was also the resource person for the training program. During his address, Deputy Director Marketing informed that the gathering under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, has identified 5 products from each state known as One State 5 Products, from which black pottery of Larnai and Tirshang was selected. The State Office of the Khadi and Village Industries Commission KVIC Ministry of MSME Government of India on Monday organized a people education program under the initiative of Meghalaya Social Development Society MSDS, North Shillong, along with Martin Luther Christian University at the university campus. The purpose of the program was to create awareness about the potentiality of entrepreneurship to students in accordance with Gandhian philosophy. Addressing the students on the occasion as the Chief Guest Director KVIC M. Ram said that there is intended scarcity of government jobs and the present generation should not become job seekers, rather should become job givers by involving in various startups and also by becoming successful entrepreneurs.
Vice Chancellor, who has given me an opportunity, we have to create an environment wherein you can be ready for job giver, not job taker. As a result of that, Government of India at his level best trying to give entrepreneurship inputs by supplying their all schemes.
Residents of the state have to brace for power cuts, with Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited set to resort to load shedding to manage the situation arising out of the emergency shutdown of one unit of the ONGC Tripura Power Company. The timing and duration of the load shedding has not been finalized. On the other hand, the water supply in the city will be affected for 3 days from Wednesday. According to the notice, the Department of PHE said that on account of stringing of 220 kV DC Killing Mongap New Shillong transmission line at Moplang by Power Grid Corporation of India Limited, the dedicated 33 kV substation for Greater Shillong water supply at Moplang will be affected. The PHE said that water supply is likely to be restored by April 1st. And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 22.6 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 10.3 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 69% and in the evening 37%. Forecast light to moderate rain and thunder shower very likely to occur at a few places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune into our daily bulletin. And now for the headlines once again. Due to the shortage of power, the load shedding will be there in the state, says Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. Commissioner of Food Safety Government of Meghalaya and Director FSSAI Eastern Region organized Eat Right Millets Mela. Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee holds a protest against the disqualification of Rahul Gandhi from Lok Sabha. And one-day training program on the packaging of Larnai and Tirshang villages black pottery products in West Jaintia Hills district. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.